kaming isang test din po na traffic aid kasi. Ano? Ay, traffic aid. Isa.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, para natural.
Yun, may tutulungan po kami isang traffic aid. Bigyan po namin ice cream. Kaya naman po siya nakatayo doon. So,
o, tara na. Gagawin namin is bigyan lang namin siya ng
mag-extend kami ng 1 oras sa mga naglalaro sa computer shop. Sana matuwa sila. ginawa niyong activity? Banana, masaya, easy banana kill. Banana kill lang, kompleto ng araw nila pala. Kaya, tatayin dapat ikaw banana ng queue.
Ano naramdaman mo?
Masaya. Ikaw pa rin, sir.
Hindi man natin groupmate yan.
Bro, I know the feeling.
John.
How's the feeling of having other people?
I don't know if I made a change in their lives, but I like to think I have. So
even just for one day.
I have mixed feelings. Like I feel happy, but I feel like we did this because of the project.
It's not really random.
Yeah. So,
it's more like randomly planned.
Randomly.
It's like random.
How about your card?
Carl.
Oh, bigyan nyo kami ni Guard.
Star players.
Siyempre, masaya.
This is our MVP. He did the most in helping. He feels the most.
Why did you cry, Carl?
Why did you cry? Well,
why did you cry?
Why ka
Ayoko. Puro ikaw nagkakat.
Pagod na, dami natin tinanungan.
Yung isa nag-fail pa.
So Marco, how about you? For now, we'll skip Carl.
It was fun. It was the first time I
Sponsored
did it.
by.
But it was a fantastic experience. No, you know, knowing every little act of random kindness could help people, make them happy.
Even just for one day.
The best thing came after.
What came after?
Don't cover the
future.
I'm not covering it.
Let's ask Carl.
Okay. What's the future for Carl?
What's the future
after
for
this
Carl?
activity?
Hopefully 4.0 guys.
It's a whole new
Be my president.
It's a whole new
Ano yung mag-vlog ka na, Carl?
I love doing
I love it.
I'll do it every
I just
day.
wanted to play Dota afterwards.
I love helping. I love helping. I love helping. I love helping. Every day.
Vlog mo na nga.